Instructions for week 10, our final week of class. You did it. Please read chapter 12. This week we are covering business presentations. Watch the chapter talk and take the corresponding quiz. You have your chapter 12 Applia assignment worth 15 points, as well as the spelling quiz covering list 12 worth 20 points. The last thing I need from you beyond that, your application activity this week is to evaluate a speaker. You will watch a TED Talk and evaluate a speaker using the document attached in coursework to guide your evaluations. Please submit everything to me by Friday at 11:55 p.m. as that is when summer course closes. Again, Friday at 11:55 p.m. I went a little lighter on the assignments this week as you were shorted a few days. Okay, thank you for all of your hard work in this class. I see the care you put into your assignments and I notice and I appreciate it. Thank you so very much. Please be in touch with any questions.